Hi, hello, good morning. So let us see the new topics. It's a very interesting. Here we go. We should get awareness, concept of income tax. So it's a very interesting topic. Today we are going to see through this video. Okay, so let us move on this video. So first we are going to see is what is the Indian tax system? So what the government will prescribe to a people to what constraints we should have follow while making a tax. Okay, so first we need to get the concept, we need to get the awareness related to the Indian tax system. Okay, so I here mentioned the points of that taxation is a major income sources for our government. Okay, so this is going to meet out our finance crisis and expenditure for the future predictions. So based on that, the finance minister will discuss with the other minister of like education, transportation, and the government like roadway. So these are things where will discussed by the finance minister on a particular date. Okay, so second part is a compulsory obligation on the peoples because we have earned, we will work for other industries. So okay, so based we're going to spend lakhs and lakhs for some unwanted things, but the government is a motive. So just they will deducting some percentage of amount from people's income that will used for the future purpose and beneficiary of rural areas. Okay, so that's why the mention here, it is a compulsory tax, it is a compulsory application for everyone. As a citizen, they're going to pay the amount every year on a particular date. Okay, so it just may vary on taxes. For example, sales tax is different, income tax is different, custom duty and export like duties is different from other taxes. Okay, the next point is income tax, which is even point of rate, which would be paid by the peoples, the normal people, and also in the indirect tax, which is will be called as, for example, the best example for the concept, the manufacturing industries, the fresh end of tax amount will pay to the government. The next will the buyer or a customers, in this sense a wholesaler retail, they're going to pay the particular amount of rupee value which will be added into the product, they then collected from peoples, they also pay to the government. So this is the major process which will incur in the Indian tax system, and also especially in indirect taxes. Okay, the last ones already I told you. So this is the major income source for the governments. So what are the features it has? Okay, the first type, the three-tier tax system, because the in the this income source collected from the three kind of areas: income tax and sales tax. Like the entertainment taxes, so many kind of taxes substituted by under the indirect taxes. The varied type of taxes in the sense, this is a sales VAT, custom duty, entertainment tax, like a cess. These kind of things will follow and deducting from the particular person's incomes. The third one is the important sources, like in the hands of central government. These things will be collected by the one government, that is a central government. They're going to use this amount for the future purpose. The composition of taxes structure, because the government will the prescribed or reframing the slab rates for the people, based on the age and based on the works. So no, they're going to working under the semi government or a full government or a private or an NGO companies, or whatever the basis which might be changed in the slabs. Like the direct and indirect tax will be called as, and the local finance. So then these are the things which comes under the salient feature of tax systems. So what is the main objective? So rising the public revenue, because this is the most income source from people as a income, and a person they're going to make payments with certain percentage. Okay, so that's why is the main reason for rising public revenue. the reduction in the inequality of wealth. Okay, so ladies or women, how much they're going to pay, a man, how much they're going to pay. So there is no bias, there is no the government showing the partiality between the women and men. So everyone should be equally paid the percentage of income, or percentage of value from the income to the government. Okay, so the aim, this which has aim the collection from public and to service to the public. Okay, this amount collect from the public, and also which would be benefit by the peoples in future. Okay, then is the regulations of import and export, when the product so going outbound the national, outbound the state. Okay, so the time the person will collecting import and export duty taxes. What are the characteristics? It's a compulsory payment. Okay, no one will be avoid or ignoring the income tax or anything kind of taxes, and which would be fallen under the Indian government. Definitely, everyone should pay the amount as a citizen. Okay. So next one is government. Automatically the government will collecting and spend the amount for the public. So for the welfare. So I have mentioned the what are the taxes followed by central and state and local taxes. Okay, so meaning of income tax is income, that percentage of amount collected from the income tax. Okay, I have mentioned for central direct taxes. So what are the welfare, what are the limitations they have prescribed under the rules and regulation of income tax. Okay, so thank you for listening my video.